you want skin that literally glows like glass? No filters, no expensive facials, just one simple ingredient from your kitchen. Today I'm showing you the ultimate Korean secret to a crystal clear complexion using rice flour and rose water. Let's get glowing. Rice flour has been used for centuries in Asian beauty rituals. It's packed with para-amino-benzoic acid, which acts as a natural sunscreen, and it gently exfoliates to reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. It's like a natural glow-up in a bowl. All you need is 2 tablespoons of fine rice flour. Now, here's the magic part. We're mixing it with pure rose water. Rose water balances your skin's pH and hydrates it from within. Add the rose water slowly until you get this smooth, creamy consistency. It smells amazing. Apply this mask evenly on your clean face. It feels so cooling. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, the rice flour pulls out impurities while the rose water soothes your pores. This is the secret to that lit from within look. Look at that instant brightness. Can you see how much clearer it looks? Rice flour is actually a natural tyrosinase inhibitor, which means it helps stop the production of excess melanin that causes those stubborn dark spots. By mixing it with rose water, you're not just brightening your face, you're deeply hydrating it too. Your skin will feel incredibly soft to the touch and look remarkably smoother. For the best results, I recommend taking this challenge for 7 days. Your transformation will be absolutely unbelievable. If you enjoyed this natural beauty hack, hit that like button and subscribe to Nature's Oracle for more secrets to glowing skin. Comment "Rice Glow" below if you're trying this. See you in the next video.